Step 1. Open Photoshop. Step 2. Make a new file. Just click on File and press New. And as you can see, I struggle. Alright, make sure it is 1280 by 720 pixels. You can choose 16 or 32-bit. If you're going to do rainbows, then do 16-bit because that's where I find the rainbow gradients work best. Step 3. Add a background. I chose my theme, which is the rainbow background. You know, the rainbow gradient thing. Yeah. So, you know, I just selected gradient and then that. And then, because my computer's really slow, I take ages to do it. And then, keep in mind I was recording as well, so my FPS was horrible. Right, so now we've got the background. Now, sometimes you may not want a rainbow background, so I'm going to find one, like a galaxy, and put it onto the canvas. Right, now, as I said, I'm going to stick with the rainbow theme. Because, you know, that's who I am. That's what my channel's about. Anyways, now let's put a sunburst over it. Yeah, so that's step 4. Add a sunburst. Right, so, you know, just pick one. I really like the red one. It seems to work for me. I don't know if it works for you as well as it does for me, but yeah. Anyways, resize it to your canvas, and then right click it, click blending options, and then set it to the side and put it on luminosity blending. Then set it to 30% opacity, and then you can press OK. Now, you know, just check it out. Now, I want you to click on that and do Gaussian blur at 10. Press OK. And you know, yeah, it looks good. Right, so now, search for, you know, I'm getting really bored of editing right now. I'm just doing the voiceover, so I'm gonna add a timer of how long it took me. Now, step 5, add a background overlay. Woohoo! Alright, 35 seconds it took me. Anyways, paste the image and do pretty much the same as you did with the sunburst, you know. Scale it in. I need to zoom in, and I can't use Alt scroll wheel because my scroll wheel broke. Anyways, set blending options to luminosity and opacity to 50. I accidentally did 30 there. Right, so 50. Alright, now, you know, do Gaussian blur again. This time, instead of having it at 10, set it to 2.5. Because you can still make out what it is at that, and, you know, you don't focus on it. So that's good. Anyways, now let's get on to the next step, which is, let me read it to you. Step 6, add irrelevant images. Yeah, I added that word on purpose. Alright, anyways, you know, my thumbnail's going to be about how to get free V-Bucks. Don't know if I'm actually going to make a video about that. Probably not, because I don't think there is a way to get free V-Bucks. Anyways, just, you know, resize it, and then select it.
One eternity later.
Right, now that we've got it selected, select, you know, the refine edge, and, you know, make it look good, you know. Don't make the edges, like, really wavy or whatever. Forgot the name for it, but, you know. Set it as a mask, which I keep forgetting to do when I Photoshop. Now, you know, add stroke and drop shadow. Right, now if you get lines like that, just get the eraser tool and, you know, erase it. Right, so, you know, a thumbnail isn't a thumbnail if we don't do the next step. Yeah? Step 7, add text. Right, you know, because this is a free V-Bucks thumbnail. You know what I'm gonna type. Now, come on, like, you have to add exclamation marks, right? Like, you just have to. Right, now just position it. And then, you know how we do it. Add stroke, making sure it's black, or in contrast to the color of the text. You know, step 8, add some more images. You know, just add images. Alright, it took me a while to find this one, so, you know, just cut to me putting it on. You know, added drop shadow, now I'm adding stroke. And press OK. Twice in a row, because we need to do that. It's 2018. Yeah, now, you know, why did I do this? More images. Add a rainbow border if your background isn't rainbow. It has to have every color of the spectrum, otherwise no one's gonna click. So I'm speeding this part up because it's optional, and I take forever to do it because I've never done it before. Alright, so there's the border, but as you know, I already have rainbow in the background. And, you know, this doesn't look good if it has 2 rainbows. So, you know what I'm going to do? You know, I'm going to revert it. I've showed you it with Galaxy. It looks okay. But yeah, you know, I prefer my rainbow style. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace.